Welcome, today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So sure, we have here the our Realme device in black color. Also, let's open the box here. The next thing, this is the USB Type-C cable, the Realme charger brick, the original one in white color, and also here in this paper box we have the quick start guide, the SIM eject tool, and the safety guide with the warranty card here, and also the silicone protective case. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.